add a plane. Rotate it 90 degrees. Scale on Z-axis. Go to Edit mode, and select the face. Now extrude it on Y-axis. Now let's create the mobile screen. Insert the front face. Now extrude it. You can save the vertex for the screen. Okay, everything is fine. Now let's create a side port for no reason. Select the side face and press Ctrl+R to add a loop cut. And drag it up to here. Add another loop cut here. Now select this face and insert it by pressing I. Scale down on Y-axis a bit. Now go to X-ray mode and extrude it face inside. You can add a bevel on the edges by Ctrl+B. You can assign it to select all the edges of this phone. And press Ctrl+B. Let's add some loop cuts here, by Ctrl+R. Select these vertices, and press Shift plus Ctrl+B, then drag. Now change the shape from the menu, and create a circle. Now press E to extrude. Done. Go to the back side, and select these loop cuts we've created for the holes. And press Ctrl+B to add bevel. Keep it one segment. Now select individual origins from here, and extrude a bit. Make sure this should not be too much. Save the vertices here. Do the same with the horizontal bar here. Let's add another loop cut here. Add 2 vertical bars also. And 4 more horizontal loops in between the 4 cameras. Now select these 4 vertices here, Shift plus Ctrl plus B. Increase the number of segments and make it round. Now extrude those vertices outside. And extrude inside again. I think it looks good enough.